What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today I'm joined by my wife Nora, my special guest, and we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, crazy new pearls, we shoot them over top, and then we decide, do we love it, do we hate it? 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. You guys can rate it in between anywhere you go. Well, I know you've seen me already shoot the coral one time, but coral was a color she picked out and she wanted to do something, but she's been busy. But now we finally got time to do a husband and wife spray out. So we got coral on this side, and on this side we have satin Seaside, another popular color, kind of like a baby blue, a his and hers if you really want to say it. And then we got a crazy new pearl from Baltic Pearls. This is a chameleon pearl. It's supposed to shift from red to orange to purple to yellow to green to, I don't know, it could be a rainbow pearl, but we're going to shoot these Rustoleum colors and two-tone this fender. Then we're going to mix up our Speedo Coat Clear, put some crazy new pearl in it, and we're going to decide, do we love it, do we hate it? Let's get into today's project. Alright guys, we got our two-tone going on, little boy-girl action, like your kid reveal type deal. Anyways, yeah, we got our Speedo Coat today, clear. The mix is 4-to-1, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator, medium temperature. It's about 80-85 degrees today. It is a little bit on the warmer side, but as long as we get this done quickly before it gets in astronomically hot, we'll be all right. So let's put 2 ounces of clear in. We mixed a little more today, so we got 6 ounces of clear. We're gonna do 2 ounces of hardener, 4-to-1. It's kind of close. It ain't gotta be exact. This is a test panel. And then of course we got our Baltic Pearl, this weird white particle color shift pearl that's supposed to shift all these different colors. Never used it before, don't know what it's gonna do. All right, so for the mix on this, we're going to try to do a teaspoon. See how close we can get it. These pearls like to clump. So this is a teaspoon of Baltic Color Shift White Particle Pearl to 8 ounces total of clear. And we'll bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so right away before she even gets to mixing, you can already see some pinks and purples and some funny stuff. So let's get to mixing real quick and let's see what it does. Now, like I said, this is a white particle pearl, so naturally it's going to have a really like milky look to it. But man, I'm seeing a lot of violets and purples, pinks, a little bit of everything really. I have no idea what this is going to do over these lighter colors, but we're about to find out. So let's get the gun loaded up and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so she's shooting today through the VBOR gun, 1.4 tip. We shoot at 28 PSI, wide open trigger if you want to replicate our settings. She's going to put a light first coat on there. That way we can check, make sure we don't get no reactions. And then we'll probably do 2, maybe 3 follow-up coats, just depending on how it looks. And then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. So I'm going to get out of her way, put my mask on, cut the fan on, and we're going to get to spraying. guys, so this is a spray out behind us. Coral on this side, Seaside blue on that side with a crazy white particle color shift. Now, it said it shifted to all kinds of different colors. Obviously, if you saw what we saw, the dominant two colors were gold and pink or violet. And it did what it said it was going to do over everything. Everything looked great, and I mean, it looked really cool over these contrasting colors. But ultimately, guys, it ain't up to us. It's up to you guys. You guys get to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And I appreciate my wife for picking out this color combination today. I think she did a great job nonetheless, and it's always fun trying new things, spraying out different color combinations and seeing what you get. But if you decide you want to buy pearls, if you want to buy flakes, if you want to buy the clear we used today, the paint gun, anything, guys, you can click the link in the description. As seen on YouTube, it goes to support the channel. And yeah, we get a small kickback from it, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra. And everything's off Amazon, so you get Prime and all those benefits. So it's a win-win, right? But I appreciate you guys for watching today. I hope if you made it this far, you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. Help us grow. We are trying to, so we can keep bringing you guys awesome content and cool new spray outs. But I appreciate you guys. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. This is my wife Nowhere. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and we will see you guys on the next spray out.